I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest weather on demand forecast. Well, not a bad looking day on Saturday. Temperatures were right in line with average, was 75, the average is 76, and the low was a little bit below. Last night we had some really cooler or even slightly colder temperatures. Well inland, some areas made into the lower 40s, and for the record here, the warmest we get is going to be 77 degrees in just a couple of days. It'll stay that way till about middle to end of July, the third week or so. Then we start going the other way. But we're going to hang tight for the middle portion of July for 77 for the high, and 55 are the highest averages that we see all year long. As far as our weather story right now, we see that the rain has returned. We saw some high clouds earlier this afternoon, but now giving way to some light rain showers, mainly across the northern suburbs. Those will continue to push on into the southern portion of the UP, and so unfortunately the rain is returning, and that's going to hold true into Sunday. As we flip backwards into June, the June pattern does return as well. That means slightly cooler temperatures and really a daily dosage of rain chances. Not that everybody's going to see rain or that it's going to rain for the entire day, so don't cancel your outdoor plans for the week, really, but just be aware that there are chances pretty much every day to see some rain somewhere in the UP. And right now the winds are still out of the west-northwesterly direction, and they gusted pretty good today, 20-25 miles an hour, thanks to the lake breeze due to the daytime heating and the much cooler air over the waters of Lake Superior. 24 miles an hour still out of Houghton. Everybody else is calming down to about 6 miles an hour or less than that. We see that this temperature map shows a wide variety for us. Our region shows mid-70s, low 70s even by Sawyer, down to Wisconsin, mid-70s for Green Bay and Madison. Heading west though, that's where the warmth is right now, and that's primarily where it's going to stay through at least the extended period at the end of the 6-day forecast as we develop another trough in the eastern half of the United States, just like we saw the last 2 weeks of June. That pattern is going to be returning just for this week though, and it looks differently beyond that. So here's what I'm talking about. One little front is passing through, and behind that we'll have several other disturbances throughout the course of the week to give us more chances of showers and locally embedded thunderstorms throughout the course of this coming week. Here's how it looks schematically though. This cold front pretty elongated, stretching all the way to the low pressure west of North Dakota, there would be Montana, and this front's going to move southward. Watch what happens though. We put the showers to bed at least from early Sunday morning, but then in the afternoon, as this front just kind of stalls out and hangs over the southern UP near Green Bay, that's when the showers come back into the region. And with that said, there's enough instability there once the sunshine goes to work on our temperatures to create some isolated thunderstorms, and these could be also stronger. I don't want to say severe, but they could be stronger, at least in the south central UP, and those have the capability of producing a little bit of hail. So you might want to pay attention to the weather tomorrow. And here's Sunday evening. Finally, that front gets far enough away from us on early Monday morning, and the showers are really out of the picture for a little bit on Monday anyways. And here's what we can expect for rainfall. Notice it's dry Sunday morning, so if you have any outdoor activities, plan for the first half of the day would be the wisest thing to do. If you have any outdoor ones, especially in the afternoon, early evening, that's when I would maybe have a backup plan for any of those tennis games or bike rides. Notice the rain does return. The heaviest, though, should be in the south central portion of the UP, and some of those could have stronger to severe thunderstorms possible just for a brief moment. Nothing like what we saw on Thursday though. There are your lows for the night, generally speaking in the 50s. Throughout the day tomorrow we'll see temperatures more or less in the 70s. The coolest though right along Lake Superior due to a lake breeze developing in the afternoon. Otherwise though we'll make it into the upper 70s across the south portion of upper Michigan. There they are, 77 degrees Iron Mountain, only 68 for Marquette, which is slightly below average, 72 out of Ironwood, and we'll do 71 from Manistee. Your TV 6-day forecast now. It does look nicer. We have mostly sunny skies Monday and Tuesday. Just a slight chance to see some rain on Monday. And really, again, Tuesday, similar to Sunday, if you have any outdoor plans, do them earlier because then the rain chances increase, especially late in the evening. And then Wednesday, another one of these disturbances crosses our region. Temperatures get knocked back only into the 60s for pretty much all of us. Cooler along Lake Superior shoreline rather. Finally, next weekend, it looks like a different story. Temperatures begin warming again.